Hi everyone, Mike here from Gasoline Alley. Today we're going to highlight one of our parts for the Ertl and late Structo trucks. These are the clips that hold the axles in place. So a lot of times these trucks come in and you have the floppy axle here. So we have the fix for you. So first off, what we're going to do here, I already cheated a little bit, but you're going to want to remove the tire from the axle and completely remove the axle and wheels from the truck. So you can see this one's got one good clip in it. We send you 4 just in case you would need to do both axles. So before we start here, we're going to want to make sure that the plate on the frame here is nice and square with each other. It's not bent. Sometimes you need to take a pliers and kind of finagle stuff to get it back into its original condition. So then what you're going to do is pop one of these clips out. I already have one out. Now these are made from ABS plastic, so they're pretty strong, but you have to be careful when you're installing. It's easy to get the part crooked or sideways as you're putting it down. So what we're going to do here, basically get it sitting on top of the frame just like this. Try to get it as square as possible, because if it's in there crooked, if you start out crooked, it goes in much harder and that risks breaking the part. So again, get it nice and square with the thing. And what I like to do is take both of your thumbs and push down, in and down, so the part, I can show you here on a loose one. There's some flex in this, so what you're basically doing is pushing to close the gap. So again, this tough plastic, it's able to take that. So basically then, once you get it started like that, all you have to do is finish it. So just push it down like that, and make sure that it's seated down all the way. Okay, so now that it's down all the way, the next thing you're going to do is put the axle back in. So what you want to be sure of is that these parts were not designed for the axle to slap down, to smash down like this. What you actually have to do is slip it in from the end. So it's key that you remove the axle before you try to put these in, otherwise they will break because there's not enough clearance. So then the last step here, just put your tire back on, and there you have it. Back in business, ready to go to work. All right, that's all there is to it here. Again, this is part number ETP029. Be sure to like and subscribe to all of our videos. We're going to try to do more of these installation videos as we release new parts. And if you have an idea or a part that you're looking for, drop a comment below and we'll see if we can try to help you out. That's all I have for you today. Thank you. Have a good one.